What's up everybody? Thank you for stopping by our MEATER channel. If you've been digging MEATER, cooking lots of meat, and have more than just one probe, thank you so much for your support. We're truly happy that MEATER has helped you up your cooking game. If you have MEATER block, you'll notice that each probe has an engraved number at the ambient end and will show up accordingly in the MEATER app. In case it's hard for you to see the engraving, we've included these nifty probe clips for you to use. If you have MEATER pluses, you won't find a numbered etching on the ambient end, but there are ways you can tell them apart. First, take the probe out of the charger and see which one's connected in the app. Or you can use your body heat, hold the internal sensor, and see which probe's temperature is rising in the app. To help identify your MEATER 2 probes, look for a different colored cook dial on the MEATER dashboard. Alternatively, you'll see the internal temperature to tenths of a degree. Now, when you're setting up your cook and you get to the temperature selection screen, you can actually name what this probe is cooking, like brisky business, left burner, medium for mom, salmon says, get to the pork chopper. The possibilities are endless. This might make it easier to find your cook in the cook history if you want to repeat it later. Watch our Cook History Prono video to learn more. If you have the probe clips, you'll be able to assign the probe clip number to your probe. Next to the cook name field, you'll find the probe clip icon to the right. Tap this and select the appropriate number. Once you've started your cook, you'll see the name for the cook as well as the number, if you've assigned one. The probe clip will only be assigned to that specific cook, so no worries about committing that clip to that probe. You can always tap the three dots at the top right, tap Adjust Cook to make any adjustments. Or you can do what I do and tap the target temp as a shortcut. These tips should help you out if you're cooking lots of meat to feed the whole tribe, or it's time for you to bulk up. For more pronos and MEATER tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel, find us on social, and check out MEATER.com. Happy eating, everyone! Chicken me out. I can't believe it's not butter. Now, like it's a secret plan, right? Now, when you're setting up your cook, I did it again. Now, stupid.